Be serious.
Okay, Miraz, how are you?
Hey Sam, how are you doing? I'm fine. And you?
Yeah, I'm also fine. Nice to meet you.
Okay.
Actually, I'm looking for a Google Ads expert for my
Okay.
business, and I have seen your profile, and really I'm impressed to you. And I think you can be the best person for me. But
Okay.
before jumping to the project, I want to knowing details about yourself, your strategy, your technique, and everything. So, can you let me know about yourself or how you can help me actually from your service and what you can do for me?
Okay, great. Thank you so much for joining with me and researching about my profile. And maybe you have seen my gigs all about the descriptions and the ratings and everything. So thank you so much again, the researching and yeah, then joining with me. So this is Miraj. Actually, I'm helping our local businesses to grow their businesses. Get the leads and call, especially service-based business is my specialty. So I have been working on Fiverr almost 5 years, and yeah, that's it. That's a simple introduce.
Okay, okay.
So can I ask you? Could you please give me a short introduction about yourself and tell me a little bit about your business, please?
Okay. Actually, my name is Sam, and I'm running agency, and I'm trying to provide the Google Ads service. And beside the Google Ads service, I'm trying to provide to my client all digital marketing service. And for my agency, I need a Google Ads specialist. That's why I'm looking a dedicated Google Ads specialist for who can help me and who can help to grow our agency. Okay. So
Oh, great! This is a great business. Yeah.
so can you let me know that which kind of local business you love to work?
Yeah. The all kind of local business actually that have same goals, generating leads and calls, so it's pretty similar, but I would love to work with the the car rental services and the home services and also the auto detailing or some other kind of, let's say, the roofing businesses. Those are the pretty good services that I provide. And I have one client. He has been doing the almost 4 years the roofing businesses, and I'm helping him. So yeah, that's it.
Great, great, nice, nice. Thank you so much. Actually, right now I have a client who provide the auto detailing service. I'm looking,
Yeah.
and if I'm here you, then from 2 days I will hire for the auto detailing service. Can you give me an idea that what can be the cost per lead for the auto detailing business? What's your experience say about that?
That's a great question, and I would love to answer you. Actually, it's depend on few things, especially the locations and what country actually you are going to target and what kind of services you are providing. And definitely, it's depend on the competitors. How many competitors in your areas? How much actually they are bidding, willing to bid. So those kind of informations I need to know. That's why I have to research about it. Would you please give me your website URL? You already given. Sorry, I already checked it. This one. So I have to research in deeply regarding to your competitors and definitely the keywords, and that Google has a one platform we can research our the CPC, what kind of the average CPC and every details here. So I would love to research in depth about your client project, and I would love to give a brief introduction. I mean, explanation about it, and then I will give you some estimate. So that this is how we can help you. This is how actually help you to contract with your client and give the explanations and so many other things that you love
Yeah,
to do.
yeah, you are right, and I'm also understand that that is very difficult to say the exactly cost per lead. But
Yeah.
in the sometimes our clients ask to us that what can be the exact the cost per lead. So in that case,
Mhm.
can you give me some estimate or some idea from your experience?
Yes, I can give the a range, but definitely it's I have to research in depth first. And so if you want to get a like one kind of strategy and one top to bottom views about the estimate, so it will be the different part, and I have to research about it in depth and then give you the report, and then we will move forward. And other thing is you can share with your client budget. Then based on the client budget, I will make a one strategy.
Yeah. From the client budget, also I have a question. So,
Yeah.
what should be the average daily budget from my client end, and what will be the ideal daily budget?
Okay. Actually, I prefer to start very, minimum. It can be the $50 per day or the $20 per day. So starting the campaign first and get some data. Let's say what's the average CPC, and then how many competitors we are competing with. They are competing with us. So the Google dashboard actually show the so many data in here. So we will research about it, and then if feel that okay, this is the budget issues, we have to increase this, and then we will increase. And at the same time, I will try to decrease our CPC and improve our quality scores. You know that Fiverr has, Google Ad has one term, the quality score. So increase the quality score and also the landing page experience. So many things I will.
What is quality score?
Oh, that's a great question. This is very important to know, to discuss with your client. So it's a very good metrics to measure how ads is going. So quality score actually mean how much actually your ads is well. Okay, so Google actually give the quality score depend on the few things. One of the most thing is the relevancy. Your ad relevancy and how relevant your landing pages. People are searching their query in Google and they will see your ad. So how much relevant that their query and the keyword that you have select, and also the ad copy, how relevant this one, and when anyone click in your ads, so they will definitely land a landing page. So how make relevant this one, and also there's a few things. The landing page speeds and so many other things. So this is the few things, major things. Google will count the quality score.
How you can improve the quality score to get better result?
Oh, that's a great question. So at first, I will write the similar. Very. How can I say? Okay. So it's like very relevant headline and description, and definitely I will check the landing pages. If we have the relevant landing page, that's okay, but not. So I will give you some suggestion to change it a little bit about our keyword, how actually people are searching, and how what is actually we have read the headline and description. So and if I will check the landing page speed and website speed. So if I figure out any problem, definitely I will recommend you to improve those things. Yeah, that's a process. But there is so many things in there. This is the major process. I will research in deeply, and then I will let you know then when the project will be ongoing.
Yeah, actually, I'm trying to understand each and every point because I have to explain to my buyer if they are trying to ask me. That's why I try to explain it, and you're well explained. But I think I need also self research to figure out those things because
that's a great. So if need any kind of the special, definitely you have to explain your client. So I'm just helping you to understand better what's the core metrics of the Google Ads and how can we communicate with the clients. So yeah, I can help you also if you want.
Okay, so if I'm getting a website and getting a project from my clients,
yeah,
then what will be your strategy, and can you share your strategy or plan or something like that? So I can show it to my client, or I can explain it to my client, and they will impress to me. And when they will give me the project, then I can hand over this one. So this is very important to know from yourself, and that what should be the strategy or the approach that the client conveys.
Yeah, Sam, this is a great question, and it's very, very important question to know about you, to explain your client, and then impress them. So I would love to answer you. And Sam, it's depend on definitely the all kind of strategy. Very, very specific for the business. So definitely it's depend on how business is going and what's the position in there. So many things in there. But I'm gonna show you the one very generic strategy that you can use, and you can communicate with the client to get the project and impress them. Okay. So let me share my strategy.
Sure.
Let's go.
Yeah, sure.
Can I share my screen?
Yeah, obviously.
Yeah. Thank you so much. So let me open it. Sam, I'm gonna share you the 90 days plan that you can provide your your client to impress them. And Sam, I'm gonna just giving a disclaimer. It's depend on the definitely it will be customized depend on the the business. Okay, so this is the very generic things that I'm going to explain you. So first month, I'm gonna researching about your client business and what they are servicing, what's the keyword, then what's the core keyword, and depend on those things. They depend on the information. I'm gonna research it and figuring out the some few relevant keyword that probably are profitable for us. Okay, and then I will write the headline and description, and I will run it. And definitely, it's a 1 point the conversion tracking. So we have to do the conversion tracking to measure our ads performance, to measure ensure our KPI. Okay, so after that, after running the ads, so this is the optimization and a plan. So we are going to, the first thing is we are going to get a 10 clicks per day. So that if we get the 10 clicks per day, so it's over the month it will be a 300 clicks. So if I calculate just estimatingly the 2% or 10%, so it's going to be 10 some conversion is there. So starting point, the goal is we are going to get the 10 clicks each day, and definitely we are trying to get generate some at least a few conversion. Okay, so what's the measurement and KPI in there? The clicks. So clicks mean word. So we are getting the right click or not. People are searching and what they are finding in the position. People are searching. What is the people are searching, and is that relevant for our business or not? Definitely we have to research it. So in-depth click research that we can do the use the search term. Google has one option, the search term, then we can see here. And CTR, it's a very important thing. So CTR is a click-through rate. How many people actually, what's the percentage people are clicking most of the time? And the conversion, what is our conversion? Let's say the lead from submission and call. So we have to see that the conversion tracking is properly working, and what's the measurement in here, and the conversion rate. So if we get some conversion, so definitely we can calculate the conversion rate. So this is the few things we're gonna look forward in there, and optimization things in there. So we have to definitely figure out the negative keyword. I mean, 100 times people will not going to be the right query in searching. So we have to figure out some negative keyword and add it. So Google Ads AI can understand, okay, what's the negative keyword and what's the positive keyword is there. So it's going to help the Google AI to proper understanding about our service and business, and going forward to the right way and the right audience, to show the right audience. And yeah, this is the optimization is the search term that I already mentioned in the clicks, and then monitor the conversion tracking that I also explained. So there's a few things in there. The month, we can see here the month 2, the getting the at least a 30 conversion, and it's pretty similar, so you can see here. I would love to share with you this one, and you can take a look in there. So it's going to be help you to understand how actually you will approach your client, and how can you get the projects. Is it okay, Sam, for you?
You are told me that there is same. So if there is everything is same, so
no, it's not the same, Sam. I'm sorry for the mistake, and it's not the same. It's a generic that I'm gonna giving overview to communicate with the client and get the projects. But when client will be on board, definitely I will research about it in depth about his business, what's the position in there, and how we should move forward. And definitely we have to have a meet with them. It's gonna be awesome if I meet with the client, or you can do that. So understand the all business and the ecosystem, and then we can create the customized, the report or strategy for him. But it's a generic terms, it's a generic things that we can customize for each business, especially for the lead generation. That's it.
Yes, it's very complicated to me for the first time, but
No worry, I'm here. I'm here to help you.
hopefully day by day I'll get more educated and
Yeah.
understand that I have to research more
Yeah. Okay.
to inform you that I'm new in Google Ads. So if you understand me in the slowly, that can be better for me. Okay, so I can better understand. Right.
That's great. Thank you.
Yeah.
I'm gonna help you. I'm ready to help you anytime. You can know.
Yeah. So also I can see that there is a term, there's a conversion trackings, and also it's related to the Google Ads as well.
Yeah.
So can you help me to set up the conversion trackings?
Definitely, I can help you. And you are the good learner. You're already learning something.
Yes.
That's awesome. Okay.
Okay.
So I'm gonna explain the conversion tracking. What is the conversion tracking here? Every business have the ultimate goal. Why you're running the Google Ads? Definitely, you have a specific business. If it is a lead gen business, definitely it's going to be call and leads. Okay. It's the ultimate goal. So the conversion tracking is most important for the Google Ads to understand your KPI. What is the key performance optimization, and what is the proven? What's the proof you are getting result or not? So this is the core things. You can set up the conversion tracking, and you can understand your business. What's the goal? You can define it, and then you can see in the dashboard how many lead we are getting. So you can understand as a business owner how much actually I'm spending. What's the cost per lead, and what's the lead conversion, so that you can also calculate your backend. What is the actual conversion rate? It's a lead, it's a raw lead, so you can try to figure out this is the raw lead, and this is the conversion actual, the customers. And also that's the most important part in there. When you are running the ads, people are seeing through the showing the keyword, depending on the keyword, and people are clicking there, and they are going in our website. So it's a journey. Okay. So when you will do the conversion tracking, so your website is outside of the Google Ads dashboard ecosystem. Okay. So when you will track and link with the Google Ads and your website, it's conversion tracking. It's like a bridge, and Google Ads actually getting the data from your website. If anyone submit the lead, so you can count in the Google Ads dashboard. So Google AI can understand what's our actual customer, who is the people actually submitting the leads. And Google Ads AI can understand from here through the conversion tracking what's the customer, profitable customer for us, and then he will the AI depend on the word data, so he will get the better data and then better optimize it more. So that's a few things. Yeah. Are you got it, or I need to explain something here?
No, I got it. I got it completely, and you explained well.
Oh, thank you.
I'm thinking more that also.
Okay.
When we are going to run the Google Ads, and also most of the Google Ads do not work because of landing page.
Oh yeah.
So I think
Right.
also we should focus on it. So can you help me also to create or design the landing page?
Oh, that's a great opportunity for me. Actually, this is my specialty to run the Google Ads and making the strategy and how we do it from. But I understand what's the key things that we have to focus on the landing pages. I have a teammate who is the Mustaqim, who is working on creating the landing page and design it. So yes, I can help you, but to design this one well and writing some content, it will be relevant to our the ads, the keyword and a headline and description. So yeah, overall I can help you, but my specialty is to creating the Google Ads, and I have a team who is a developer and designer as well, so he can help you, and I'm going to lead this one. I mean the landing page making and so many things that you need. Yeah, I'm really happy to working for the landing pages.
Okay. Thank you so much, Miraz. It was a great meeting to you.
Yeah, thank you so much. Yeah.
And when I will onboard the client, then I definitely knock you, and we try to
Uh,
collaborate to each other.
Definitely, and I'm gonna I'm happy to share with you. I have been already working with one client who has a agency already. You know, almost 3 campaign have been running. One of the you know the car washes, and one of the house washes. You know, house wash campaign, and one of the roof. Okay, so it's gonna be a great journey with you, and I believe that if we collaborate with us, so you are gonna be profitable, and definitely I am, and I'm ready to help you anytime. So yeah, that's my commitment.
Okay.
And I always try to give the value first and the earn from you first. That's my simple rule.
Okay. Thank you so much. Bye bye.
Yeah. Okay, bye. Have a great day.